Right, so let's jump in and create a new order, right? So I'm going to come here to my apps. I'm going to click on apps. I'm going to go to Printful, and I'm going to go to products, and we're going to create a product. So let's add a product, right? So whatever it is, men's, women's clothing, hats. I've started out with mine as only selling things that can't be sent back. One size fits all sort of things, right? So let's do a cup. I'll do another mug. Let me do, I don't know if my other computer's online. It's got the images on it. So I want to do something where I personally just sell things that can't be sent back or probably won't be sent back. Excuse me, because they don't fit, right? So I like to do, let's do a cup, right? So let's find accessories. Where is it? Oh, it's home and living. Home and living coffee mugs, right? So let's do a coffee mug. Just a basic one. I'm going to select it. Here's the information. And do you want to do it in 11 ounce and 15? If you just want to do the smaller cup, uncheck. Design. We're going to put some image on the front here. These are the ones that are already on my file. So these are already things I've already previously done. Or I can upload a new image. Oh my God, I'm going to get grief now for not preparing very well, aren't I? So what image shall we use? I don't know if that's going to work. Connected. Yeah, my other computer's not online, which is what the where the images are. So what you would effectively, I don't want to slow you down. So you would effectively upload an image, right? And it will just come up, and you pick your print file. So let's go. We'll go with this. We'll go with this England sheet one, right? I'm going to choose this. It's probably a better T-shirt, this. And this is the image that's going to show on the cup, right? So what I can do is duplicate on both sides. So I'll click that. So then when I go to here, it automatically mirrors on the other side of the cup, right? So let's kind of upload a minute and go in the middle there. Yes. So I'm gonna do a sheep in the middle. You would just pick one item. You wouldn't do it like this, right? I want my sheep to wrap around, right? You would take a little bit more time than this, and it's probably a bit too high. But anyway, so now it's set up. It's set up on both sides, and I'm going to proceed to mock up. So you can have a mock up where someone's actually holding the cup, or some sort of like table design, or just a straight blank cup. And you can add mock ups later as well. You can decide whether the front view, if there's nothing on the front view, you probably don't want to pick it if it's just left and right. But then you can just click to proceed. What's this? Happy Me, England, sheep, fan, mug, right? Whatever you want to call it. Any description you want to change, you don't have to mess with anything. If you've got any tags that you want to use, so I've already used mugs and cups, proceed to pricing. So now Printful is going to tell you how much it's costing. The 11-ounce cup is going to cost $7.67, £6.24. The 15 ounce is $10.48, $8.52. So that's how much it's going to cost to print. Now it's suggested a price, and you can increase it by a percentage to whatever you want here to make it across the board change, right? Or you can decrease or change. So what you can do here to say everything is the same sort of pricing across your board. You know, if you want to say $9.99, that's going to make you £3.75, right? Make this one $10.99 because it's a bigger cup. That's going to make you £2.47. Now, what I do is I can't be bothered to mess about with at this point. I can't be bothered to mess about with shipping prices, so I include the shipping price in the cup. So I'm going to sell this for $14.99. No, this one I'm going to sell for $13.99, and this one $14.99, which may sound a bit expensive for a cup, but it's that's it at checkout. That's all you're paying plus tax. But So you decide. You have to decide if you want to mess about with shipping prices and add that on at the end. So obviously you might have a £10 cut, but all of a sudden £5 is shipping. It's up to you, personal preference. A lot of people don't buy stuff off my store. I give Happy Me stuff away for signing up for my training. So it's sort of things like that. If you've got any collections signed up, you can added to. You can add your collections here. I automatically add anything that says mug in the title to a collection, and I submit to store. Right. It'll take a couple of seconds to do it. With Swagger Coffee. There's the print. You see the pictures just arrived on there. And here we go. So viewing Shopify. So here is now the live product. Oh, it didn't work, did it? Oh, there you go. That one worked. So you need to be careful. I just kind of chucked it on there, didn't I? I'm not sure it, because I put 2 images on it, might have messed it up a bit. But you can see the Happy Me sheet merch, the bigger version. The bigger version seems to have worked, doesn't it? But the smaller version, oh, I'll tell you why. Yeah, you've got to set them both up differently. Yeah, sorry, I jumped past that. When you go, when you edit your different sizes, yeah, see, look, I didn't edit the smaller mug. I should have highlighted it. What you can do is you can change it again, though, right? You can change. Oh, I don't know if you can copy and paste that. Duplicate. So yeah, I should have done it. I should have done it on both size cups, right? Submit, and it'll just do it. It'll update that one. So at this point, you can edit prices. You can edit things. You can view in your shop. You can edit that item. You can edit the product in your shop. Edit descriptions at this point. And money, anything money-wise. Edit pricing as well here. And any descriptions you want. So, really easy to add a product, isn't it? I know I flew through that, but it's really easy. See, it's fixed now. So now my Happy Me England fan, it's got an England shirt on, look, cup is now done. 15 ounce, the bigger version, is there as well, right? So I've added this cup. Now we're going to go through the buying process, right?